children, today we are going to see class 12 chapter 1 Python revision tour 1 type C question number 11. So here they asked you to write the program to find out the difference between the times. Okay, difference between the two timing. So those two timing in the format of military format, that is a railway time format, 24-hour format it will be there. So that is easy for us to find out the difference. So here what will be our input? Here input will be the two timings, that is start time and end time. You have to get from the user. So now I am getting the start time, input of enter the start time, then the same way enter the end time. So both the timings they have to give. Then we have to find the difference between them. ET, we can have it as a ET. Okay. Then what I should do is difference I want to find. Difference is equal to ST minus ET. Okay, ST minus ET I am giving. Then if there is any minus and all, if there is any minus, I want only the absolute value. So what I am giving is, I am giving ABS. Okay, ABS function I am using. Then what I am going to do is, I am going to convert this integer into a string format. So diff is equal to str of difference. So I am changing this into a string format. Why is, I want to display this in a particular format, that is slicing I am going to use. So slicing is applicable only in a string. Okay, so now I am going to display this print of, so first which number I should get, str, that is diff of 0:1. Okay, then what it has to display, hours it has to display, that is a format given in the book. Output format should be there. Okay, then remaining diff of, that is 1:3 minutes. That is a format given in your book. Let us execute this. So starting time it asks you, so let it be 9 hours. The end time is 17. First we follow the book. So 8 hours 30 minutes. You got the same output. Let us try for one more time. So I am giving it as 10 o'clock. Okay, 10. Then this 17:30, same timing I am giving. So you will get 7 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.